Hey guys, my name is Rahul and today we are going to unbox the latest flagship from Huawei, the Huawei P30 Pro. This is the Huawei P30 Pro box and I bought this device from Kuwait. This is the 8GB 128GB variant. It was available for 49,500 from Kuwait. So I bought it because the price was low, and the only difference between the Indian variant is that the Indian variant has 256GB and this one is 128GB. So it is the breathing crystal color because I love the color. So already you know the specs and everything, so I will directly open the box. I have already broken the seal before, so that's that. Also I got a gift from Huawei that I will be unboxing in the next video or so. So this is the device, the box, and we have the bill from the store. And there is a VIP service card, so you get 6 months screen replacement warranty, and there is pickup and delivery service. Unfortunately I am in India, so there is no international warranty, so I couldn't get this. So I am saying that we are paying 75,000 and we don't get VIP service or anything like that in India, nor any gifts from Huawei. Also the exchange offer is really bad and the price is always too high. So this is the phone. What I will do is that I have already turned on, just check it. So I will just I turned off again. So I will turn on the device again and we will look into the box in detail. Okay, so that's the box, the stickers and everything like that. So let's remove this. Okay, there's nothing, and then there is the paper pouch as usual. There is the there is a SIM ejector tool, there is the cover and everything like that. So let's take it out. The cover is okay if you ask me. There is the paper guides and everything. I remember Oppo Reno that cost me 40,000 had better superb cover with it, so which offers good protection and also is a premium cover. So these manufacturers should learn that when you are providing flagship devices, you should provide flagship accessories too. That's unfortunate here. It is not happening here. So let's put the papers aside and see more detail into what's here. Okay. So it's taking some time. I'm sorry, I'm taking this some time again. So already you guys know that this device has a Kirin 980 chipset, 6.4-inch AMOLED display. Then there is quad camera, 40MP rear camera with f1.6 aperture, 20MP ultra wide angle, and 5x telephoto lens with all OIS, and also it can zoom up to 10x with the loss of detail. And this is a Huawei supercharger. It is a 40-watt charger. It can charge up to 70% in 30 minutes, and also it can charge the full phone in 1 hour, I guess. I have already tried this charger already before doing this video, so I know that it can charge up to 70% 30 minutes. So this video is little late, I'm sorry. And this is the Apple EarPod ISC earphones with USB Type-C port. So at least there is an earphone at least, so I'm happy with that. That's fine. So I was talking about what it can also zoom up to 50x or 50x in digital zoom. It is a great camera. It is already named for because it has great camera and all. Sorry, I have missed this. There is the USB Type-C cable. Usually it has a violet color coding inside the cable. So you can see that here. So what I was saying is that it has an in-display fingerprint scanner, 32MP front camera, water and air dust resistant IP68. And it has 4200 mAh battery too. So we can peel off the plastics here. So there is also another sticker there. Let me remove this. This is an absolutely gorgeous phone. This looks really amazing. I mean, this looks really great. The color changes when the light falls in different versions. So on the back you can, I already explained, there is the quad camera setup, 40 MP rear camera with f1.6 aperture and OIS, 20 MP ultra wide angle with f2.2 aperture, 8 MP 5x telephoto lens with OIS, and it also has a TOF sensor and laser autofocus and also dual LED flash. And there's also Huawei branding. Then on the top you can see that there is a microphone hole and the air blaster. This is a really packed phone with hardware. And on the bottom you can see that there is the hybrid slot. It only support NM cards, not the usual micro SD card or dual SIM. Then there's a microphone, there's a microphone, then just there's a microphone, USB type C cable and external speaker. On this side it is really clean, and the other side there is a power button. I will focus once more. There's a power button and volume rocker key. So on the front we have 6.47 inch FHD plus OLED HDR display with DCI P30 color gamut. It's a gorgeous display. You can see that. We will go into settings and check what is the software here. So software is that it has EMUI version 9.1 and Android version is 9. It's a Kirin 980 chipset and it has 8 GB RAM and 114.82 GB is available out of 120 GB, and it is June security patch. So display looks nice, it really looks gorgeous, and I don't know what to say, it looks really good. So sorry for the flickering, it's because it's an AMOLED display. So I have opened the camera app and it's a usual camera app. Let me click one photo or something like that. It's a usual Huawei camera app. It has a lot of settings and everything. So I love Huawei Honor's camera app, so it's really great. It clicks really fast, so you can see a resolution. You can go up to 40 MB or it can capture 10 MB oversampling. This 10 MB oversampling picture has lot of details, so you don't have to worry about not taking pictures at 40 MB. So watermark, assist, grid, mute, and lot of features. So one of the things I love about Huawei phones is that it can support a mic, external mic too. So here I am going to focus, zoom into details. I have zoomed into 5x. It has not lost detail, anything like that. Now I will zoom in 10x. Unlike the Oppo, it focuses much faster. In Oppo 10x, it took some time to focus. Sometimes it does not focus when you are focusing pretty close to subject. So that is the all sensors you have seen, zoom modes. Now let's see if I can record up to 4K 30 FPS only. It cannot focus more than that. Record more than that. Not 60 FPS more. There is lot of modes that is tailor-made for different situations you face while taking pictures. So that is that for the unboxing here. So thank you for watching the video. See the samples I have already taken with this phone. So thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Bye bye. This is the 4K rear camera sample of Huawei P30 Pro. This is the front facing 1080p camera sample of Huawei P30 Pro.